Our solar system has 8 planets and each planet has natural satellites revolving around it. This satellite is known as Moon. Each planet has different number of moons. Our planet Earth has only one moon. What would happen if Earth has 2 moons? Moon is responsible for tidal movements. Along with the Moon, our Earth has another Moon-like companion, but it is so small in size and is so far that it can be considered as an asteroid. These tides are produced by the water of seas, oceans and other water sources. The gravitational force of the Moon causes the water of oceans to rise. The water rises 2 times a day. But if Earth possesses 2 moons instead of 1, then this gravitational force would increase due to the combined gravity of the 2 moons. The change in the tidal motion is highly dependent on the size of second moon and its distance from the Earth. Let us consider our second moon would be 1000 km wide and has same distance from the Earth as the real moon. Would we can see the second moon from the Earth? Absolutely, we could see it. Imagine this moon is between the Earth and our current moon. It would have a spectacular view. The new moon would produce shorter tides as compared to the actual moon, but the combined gravity of both moons would produce higher tides in oceans. These tides would be 6 times higher. It would cause floods in the coastal areas. This would enforce the people to move away from the coasts and probably there would be no residents near the coasts. This moon can stay in the Earth's orbit for billions of years and then finally it would move away from the Earth. And these moons could collide with each other, erupting lava. The effect of their collision would be so huge that it can break the moon into 2 pieces and it would produce a red light in the sky. At the same time the particles would scatter everywhere, moreover it would generate a pulling force between the recent moon and the Earth. The second moon's surface would produce eruption of volcano and become hellish as the Jupiter's moon. The second moon's core would produce red-hot showers of the lava. The presence of the second moon would affect the time also. Our moon is spiraling away from the Earth at 3.8 centimeters each year and would make the days longer 1 second each 40,000 years. The presence of the 2 moons would speed up this process. The increased force of pull of 2 moons would make the rotation of the Earth slow around its own axis and the days would become longer. The extra time in a day may be interesting. But here some problem can also occur and these moons could drift towards each other. All these changes would occur in the case of 2 moons of our planet.